Hello everybody, I'm Jeff Simmons here at the Prump Nugget Hotel Casino. We'll start off with our stage bar tonight. This weekend we had the Vegas Roadshow. Come on down and check them out. And then every Friday and Saturday at the Prump Nugget from 6 o'clock to 9 o'clock, every half hour, we'll have drawings. You can win up to $2,500 in cash. And then on the 29th at 9:30, it's a Saturday night, there's a U2B you can win. It's pretty cool, four-wheeler. So come on down, get your points, get your tickets in, and win that U2B. And then bingo, we got St. Patrick's Day coming up in March 17th. It's a Monday. We have specials at the 1 and 7 p.m. sessions, higher payouts, special drawings, and free daubers to all players while supplies last. That's at all sessions. And then we do have our no split pots every night at 9 p.m. Go Town for the month of March has no split pots at 7 p.m. And they also have their paper only at the 11, 1, and 3 with no split pots. So come on down, check out the Prump Nugget Bingo, and if you want to play paper, go see Kathy over at Go Town. Everybody have a great day. And also, this weekend, we got Friday here in the Prump parking lot, we're starting off with the Balloon Festival. So come on down, you got not free balloon rides, but they have balloon rides and a carnival going on at the park and a lot of stuff going on. And that's from 4 to 9, I believe, at the Prump Nugget parking lot. Everybody have a great day. Talk to you later.